oil and gas industry, construction industry, engineering industry, chemical industry. The efficiency of any industry and even the possibility of production itself depend much on the characteristics of the applied stuff. These characteristics may become the basis of the whole technologies which seemed impossible before. Nowadays, we are able to change the characteristics of long familiar materials and to create the new ones easier than ever. Thermal conductivity, weight, strength, resistance to corrosive environment, fire resistance, and sound insulation. All these important qualities of materials can be improved due to this unremarkable at first glance powder. However, something wonderful is seen under the microscope, a great number of tiny hollow spheres filled with gas. This peculiarity is reflected in the name of the substance, the cenosphere. Due to its structure, the cenosphere not only changes the characteristics of familiar materials, but becomes the basis for production of the new ones. The enterprise, Special Materials of Siberian Generating Company, produces the cenosphere by recycling the coal combustion waste products of thermoelectric power stations. Therefore, not only the high technology material is produced, but also the environmental target specific for thermal stations is achieved. The plant is located on the territory of Belova State District Power Station. Here, under the top of the huge white dome, ashes and slag waste is recycled into cenosphere. The production process starts with collecting of fly ash float fraction. It is delivered to a shop floor and passes through several stages of processing. At first, it settles down and then multiply drains off. The humidity index must not exceed 0.5%, and at Special Materials, they tend to reduce it to 0.05%. At the final stage, the product is divided into fractions, from coarse to fine fraction, within the range of 500 to 63 micron. Two production lines of the manufacturing complex may output about 40 tons of the finished product per day. Cenosphere is a dusty, light, utterly dry substance. The full correspondence of the product to its stated specifications is the most important competitive advantage of the company. The cenosphere production at Special Materials is characterized with strict quality control. The samples are taken from every packaged container. The samples are checked for the humidity, settling, alkalinity, acidity, correspondence to the fraction required. Only after a laboratory assistant confirms that all the cenosphere production requirements have been met, the production is watertight, packaged and shipped to customers. There is a certification mark, a special seal on every container. Within a season, up to 22,000 tons of fly ash float fraction are collected from cinder dumps of Siberian Generating Company Kuzbass stations. Within a year, about 16,000 tons of cenosphere are produced from this basic stuff at the manufacturing site of Special Materials. The enterprise, Special Materials, is able to produce the cenosphere of several fractions for appliance in different spheres of production. The customers are industrial, building, oil service companies of Russia and foreign countries. In 2013, announced the year of ecology in Russia, the company was given the highest award at the international exhibition Innovative Siberia. This symbolic event excellently characterizes the company, which activity is aimed at high-technology product production and improving the environmental situation in the region.